How to bulk add products to Wix stores using CSV file. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bulk add products to Wix stores using CSV file. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a cloud-based website builder that allows individuals and businesses to create professional-looking websites without requiring coding skills. And also Wix provides an intuitive drag-and-drop interface and a wide selection of customizable templates and advanced design features, making it accessible to users of all experience levels. The platform supports various website types, including e-commerce stores, portfolios, blogs, and business sites. And it also offers a built-in SEO tools, mobile optimization, and integrations with third-party applications to enhance functionality, with features like Wix IDE for automated site creation and Wix Velo for developers seeking customization. The platform is a flexible solution for users looking to build and manage their online presence. So now from here, after signing in, you can click or select here the site. Then you will be able to be directed on this homepage or dashboard. And from here to set up or to start adding the bulk products, you can start navigating on the left side panel the catalog section and click store products. And from here, it will show you the variety or the list of your products on your online store. And to start adding a bulk products, just click the More Actions button on the top right corner, and it will show you the option to export and import. And by clicking the export button, you can simply export all of the items, filter it, and even select it. And after clicking export button, for example, it is automatically converted to CSV file. And after that, you can simply click or go to this Google Sheets, in which you can start opening the CSV file in here. And from here, in order to do that, just simply click this file icon in here to start adding the product or CSV file that you want to import, which contain the bulk products, and click this upload button or section in here to start uploading from your computer files. And for example, you have now successfully opened it, you will now be able to be directed in here, and it will show you in here all of the layers of your products and also the corresponding details of it, with here the description, the product image URL in here. So under the product image URL, this is basically the part that we're going to change, in which this file contains the bulk product itself. And now to start customizing it, all we need to do is simply go back to this page in here. Then we can simply go to our website by clicking the home page and click edit site button on the top right corner in order to be directed on the editor mode file of our website in here, in which you can start customizing our own website in here, and it will show you on the left side panel some of the options or editing tools that we can start navigating. But now to proceed adding a bulk products, you simply click the media option in here on the left side panel, and after that it will show you all of the media that is contained on your Wix website. So from here we can start selecting a media to simply copy the image URL that will be pasted in our CSV file that we just downloaded or exported earlier. But from here, as you can see, we have here a variety of logo and also the media files including the products in here and other mockups images in here. And upon clicking any of this, you'll be able to be directed in here, and it will show you the image in here, where we can start clicking the settings option to see the product or the image URL. However, it is not currently on this part. So in order to see it, we can start going again on the left side panel to look for a specific product image URL that we can simply copy. And to do that, below here, once again, all you need to do is simply click the show more option in here. Upon doing so, it will show you on the pop-up window some of the images it contains, and upon clicking any of this, it will show us on the right side panel of it the details. So just click this file's info in order to see the image URL, and in here just simply click this copy URL in here. After successfully copying, just simply go back in this CSV file that we just opened, and under this product section, just simply click this one and simply paste the URL that we just copied earlier. So as you can see, the URL of this product is now been added, which is this tote bag right here. So make sure to do all the same on any of these product lists to add on your bulk products. So again, just simply do the same process of simply clicking here or choosing the images of a specific products, then simply copy the URL of it and paste it directly in our CSV file. Or you could also upload here on my boards media from Wix, where you can choose from However, you need to also make sure to also upload some of this as a product before be able to copy the URL of it and paste it directly in our CSV file that we're going to upload or import in our Wix in here in order to start uploading or adding about products easily. However, let's say you're now done copying some of the URL link of any of these product lists in our CSV file in here. The next thing that we need to do is simply save this one or simply copy it by clicking the file type on the left side panel and click download it and choose the CSV, also known as the comma separated values. And after simply downloading it, it will automatically be downloaded where you can see it on the top right corner in here. Now going back on this page, to start importing it, just simply go back on the left side panel and click the catalog section and go to the store products, since we're trying to upload the bulk products in here. And after that, on this page, from here, just simply click the more options button on the top right corner once again and click the import button, in which by clicking on it, it will show you on this pop-up window some of the things in which we have here the step 1 to download the Wix CSV template file that we just did earlier, while for the step 2 is to simply upload your products, which is by adding or copying the URL images in the CSV file that we just downloaded earlier. And now from here, to start uploading it, just click the upload CSV file button right here and select on your computer files the CSV that we just downloaded earlier. Then click the continue button to proceed, and after that, it will show you that your product is now ready to be imported, where it will show us in here the list of the new products and also the existing products that has been already added in our Wix store. And since we did not edit or add any other products, there's no new products reflected in here. But if you do add more products in here using the CSV file, it will automatically be reflected in here and it will show you the list of it. Then you can now click the import the starting products button to proceed. However, since I already imported it, I will not be able to see any difference since it is also the same. So after importing it, it will show you below here all of the list of the products that you imported in here. And aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel how you can getting paid on any of the product or the bulk products that you just imported, which is this one. You could also choose what kind of product to edit the layout, change the pricing plan, the mockups, images in here, and many more. So again, from here, you could simply go to our catalog section to see all of the list of the products or the bulk products that we just imported. You could also add a new product if you want to by clicking new product button on the top right corner and choose either physical or digital product that you prefer. So basically, adding a bulk products in Wix is important because it saves time, increases efficiency, and ensures consistency when managing an online stores, instead of manually adding products one by one. And overall, that is just basically how to add bulk products to Wix stores using CSV file. Thank you.